Hello guys, this is Lalit here on the Tech Genius, and today I'm going to unbox the Bose SoundLink Color Bluetooth speaker. So this speaker is named the SoundLink Color because it is available in 5 colors, which is black, blue, red, white and mint color. I found black the best one, that's why I picked one. The actual price of this product is something 11,200 rupees, but I bought this in an offer for 9,900 rupees. Talking about the packaging actually is very nice. On the front of the box we can see the actual speaker. On the right side of the box we can see some Bose information. On the left side of the box we can see some product information along with the picture showing the contents in the packaging. This box contains a speaker, a USB to micro USB charging cable, an adapter and some attachments for different countries. On the back side of the speaker box we can actually see what different parts and buttons the speaker has. So let's start unboxing this product. Let's get started with the unboxing of this speaker. So opening the box we can see that inside this box the first thing we get to see is some documentation which consists of some registration cards to register your product online, some important warranty and safety guide, and a pictorial information which guides you through charging and connecting your speaker. Under that, we have the Bose SoundLink speaker wrapped into some nice plastic material. Let's keep it aside for some time. And above that, we have the USB to micro USB charging cable for charging your device, an adapter to charge your device, and a box which contains some adapters so that while traveling to different countries you can charge your device without any problem. Now let's take a closer look at each and every content of the packaging. Talking about the adapter, that adapter is very precisely made. It has a Bose branding on the front and a USB port on the bottom. So to use this adapter we just need to open this from here. These are the US type prongs for charging. This is the micro USB to USB cable for charging, which goes into the USB port so that you can charge your device. This adapter comes with a various type of attachments for different countries, just like this one is the Indian type connector for the Indian users. To use this, just open these prongs and slide it a bit down and you will be ready to use the charger. Similarly, we have two more different type of connectors for different countries, which would be useful if you are traveling to any other country which does not support the Indian type or American type charger for charging. And now finally coming to the speaker. This is the speaker with a nice Bose branding on the top. This is the speaker. On the top of the speaker we have a power button, a Bluetooth button, an auxiliary input button, a play pause button which can be used to skip a track or play the previous track, and there is a volume rocker with a volume down and volume up button. On the back side of the speaker we get to see only two ports. Here is the micro USB port for charging the speaker and an auxiliary input port, 3.5 mm auxiliary input port for playing media which does not support Bluetooth. This speaker actually does not have NFC pairing system just like the JBL Flip 2 had. Talking about the design of this speaker is very beautifully crafted. It is highly portable according to me. This is a plastic matte black body, and it has a fine rubber grip so that if you are holding it in your hand, it will not slip off. On the bottom we have four rubber feet which grips the table very well. Let's turn on this speaker for the first time. So to turn on the speaker, you just have to press the power button. You can see an amber battery indicator blinking over here. It shows that the speaker is charging. If the battery is showing amber color, battery indicator is showing amber color, then the speaker is mediumly charged. If it shows green color, that then it is fully or highly charged. If it is red blinking, then the indicator shows that the speaker is low on power. And if you want to check the battery status of your speaker, you just have to turn on your speaker and press and hold the power button. So let's turn on the speaker. A white light shows on the auxiliary function that the speaker is turned on. To pair this speaker with any Bluetooth device, you just have to press the Bluetooth button, and a voice prompt will guide you through the pairing process. So to show you, I am just keeping this speaker inverted over here. Local device not found. Ready to pair. A blue light indicates that the speaker is ready to pair. So I'm using my iPod Nano to pair with this Bose SoundLink color speaker. So to pair my iPod with the Bluetooth speaker, I just need to go to Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth on, and here it shows Bose SoundLink color speaker. So I just need to tap on it, and it has started pairing. Connected to Sailor's iPod. Once the iPod or your device is paired with the speaker, a voice prompt will indicate that the device is ready to use and is connected to some sort of Bluetooth device. Now, as this speaker is connected to my iPod Touch, let's play some music. It's party time. Woohoo! So that was the sound test. Now I would like to show you something. If you want to skip a track or you just want to go to the previous track, what you need to do is press this play and pause button. If you want to play a track, you just need to play or pause a track. You just need to press this button once, and if you want to pause, press it again. If you want to skip a track, you just need to press this button twice, just like this. And if you want to go to the previous track, press the same button 3 times. The sound quality with the speaker is actually very good. It sounds very nice. The vocals and the bass is absolutely clear and very nice. I would recommend this speaker for a portable speaker, but it is not that cheap, or it cannot be called as a budget Bluetooth speaker. It is quite expensive. It costs you about 11,000 rupees. But once again, I'm saying I bought this for 9,900 rupees from Bose store. Uh, there is an offer going on for a limited period, and you'll get this speaker from for 9,000 rupees. So this was a quick unboxing and hands-on video for the Bose SoundLink Colors Bluetooth speaker. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries, comment them in the comment section down below. And if please let me know about your opinions for my videos. Thank you. Peace.